Through reminiscence, we find comfort in our favorite things and form connections with people and the past. These remembrance kits are for the enjoyment of those with dementia, their caregivers, and family, and are used to provide comfort and inspire connections and conversation through reminiscence. Each kit comes with a Favorite Things DVD, and a deck of photo activity remembrance cards and companion cards. The photo cards can be used independently or as a complement to the Favorite Things collection DVD with the same categories. Each set includes double-sided photo cards and double-sided companion cards, which provide cues for caregivers so that they can preface a photo card or video with questions, or plan where to stop within a slideshow or photo cards for an activity, share trivia or fun facts, or participate in a game. The slideshows on each DVD include not only colorful photographs related to the kit's theme, but also video clips, all of which are enhanced with soothing and happy background music with the option to mute. We currently have 4 remembrance kits for winter memories, spring memories, summer memories, and autumn memories. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the Stickney-Forest View Public Library's YouTube channel. Also, like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The Stickney-Forest View Public Library District, where great things happen.